Drop Alt mechanical keyboard, 65%, 67 key, gaming keyboard, hot swap switches, programmable macros, RGB LED backlighting, USB-C, Doubleshot PBT, aluminum frame, Cherry MX brown RGB, gray. The Alt mechanical keyboard is a smaller take on Drop's control model. It features 67 keys instead of 87. Absent of function keys, it wastes no space, but it still has a full set of arrows and numerals. Constructed with a solid aluminum frame with a built-in switch plate and magnetic legs, the Alt is rock solid and ready for any setup. This Alt model comes equipped with Cherry MX brown switches, which have a tactile bump, silent travel and medium actuation force. Great for both typing and gaming. Details about this item you can click link in description. Get best price and discount for this product, you can click link in description.